the holiday. So, I mean, there's only a few of us working.
Yes, we are clearly several of them.
Yes.
But, you know, even we guys had a chance to beat the rain before it reached us. It started to move in really as we were going on the air at 4:30 this morning and across Philadelphia. But, you know, you've got a pretty big swath of moisture that's working its way in from the south here. It's bringing with it some milder air, but it's also going to bring some dreary days both today and tomorrow. In fact, feature some rain for our area. And right on the northern fringe of this, yeah, you can see how there's some icing that's taking place in that zone. So the northern half, I'd say, of our region is still just cold enough that you want to expect that it could be slick out there, even if it looks like it's just wet. Then there's another cold front that's starting to get its act together here back through the northern high plains. That's going to be dragged through by Wednesday into Wednesday night and bringing with it a pretty significant blast of cold. We'll talk about that in a second, but let's walk you through future weather here because initially the rain is the big concern. I cannot say that I'm crazy about how this initialized on this particular model. It's a light rain and it's a fine drizzle, but it will be a little bit more widespread than this for the next couple of hours. But why I show you this is because of the pinks that still show up even as of 8 this morning. So we're still going to be battling that really cold air in a Carbon, Monroe County, even portions of the Lehigh Valley, that it could still be slick even for the next couple of hours. Meanwhile, the rain is going to persist for us throughout the day. There may be some heavier pockets within it, but it's generally a steady but light rain that continues even into tonight and then even into tomorrow. Now we'll start the day off on a relatively quiet note, but still a little drizzly. Then a steadier batch of rain comes in through the afternoon. Then it lifts out, and then we're done with it, at least for now. But there's a trade-off that comes with that. Again, very cold air waits in the wings for us, and once that reaches us come Wednesday night into Thursday, you're really going to see a drop-off on the thermometer readings, and that will just continue even into next week with temperatures remaining anywhere between 5 as many as 10 degrees below the average. Now today, it's actually above average. Eventually, light rain and drizzle continue to be the theme, though, as we warm up to 45 degrees. Later tonight, dropping down to only 42, so quite mild night. We don't drop off all that much, and we'll continue the warming trend into tomorrow, despite the fact that you'll have some rain, some of it heavy, to contend with. Then we're scaled back to just flirting with 50 come Wednesday, but the drop-off takes place leading into Thursday. And frankly, Wednesday's high of 49 probably doesn't last long. It's probably going to be a situation where that thermometer drops with time, and then we're just stuck in the 30s right through the weekend.